In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers in Postman. Whether you're testing an API for work or learning how HTTP works, headers are essential because they tell the server how to handle your request, what format you're sending, and how you want to authenticate. Start by opening your request in Postman. Choose or create the request you want to send. This might be a GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, or another method. The method you pick depends on what the API expects, but the process of adding headers is the same for all of them. Now look just below the request URL field. You'll see several tabs, and the one you want is labeled Headers. Click that. This is where you'll manage the key and value pairs that Postman will send along with your request. Think of the key as the header's name and the value as its content. In the key column, type the exact header name. Common examples include content type for describing the format of your payload and authorization for sending credentials. In the value column, provide the corresponding value. For example, if you're sending JSON in the body of a POST request, set content type to application.json. If the API uses bearer tokens, set authorization to bearer, followed by your token. Be careful not to include sensitive tokens in shared environments, and never paste real secrets into demos or screenshots. A couple of tips to avoid frustration. Double-check for typos and extra spaces, because header names must be precise. You don't need quotes around values. If you accidentally add the same header twice, some servers might ignore one or behave unpredictably, so keep your list clean. If your workspace already uses variables, you can reference them in a header value with curly braces, which helps keep tokens and URLs consistent without hard-coding them. When your headers look good, you're ready to send the request. Click the Send button. Postman will include every header you added with this specific request. Once the response comes back, glance at the response pane to confirm that the server received the headers you intended, and use this to troubleshoot if something doesn't look right. For instance, if the response complains about unsupported media type, verify that content type is set correctly. If you get unauthorized errors, recheck the authorization value. That's it. You've opened your request, navigated to the Headers tab, added the key and value pairs you need, and sent the request. With these basics, you can confidently communicate with most APIs and get consistent, reliable results.